Welcome to Car Studio, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, from future concepts to upcoming production models. If you're passionate about cars, trucks, and SUVs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated pickups of the year, the 2026 Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux is more than just a pickup truck. It's a symbol of toughness, reliability, and global dominance in the utility vehicle segment. Known for its go-anywhere attitude and legendary durability, the Hilux has built a rock-solid reputation across markets like Australia, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. And now, for 2026, Toyota is ready to push the boundaries even further. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Toyota Hilux comes with a bolder, more aggressive look inspired by the latest generation Tacoma and Tundra. The front end gets a larger hexagonal grille, flanked by sleeker, high-mounted LED headlamps with integrated DRLs. The bumper is beefier, offering a tougher stance with improved approach angles. Along the sides, we see a more sculpted body with flared wheel arches and optional 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a muscular, modern look. At the rear, Toyota has updated the tailgate with new LED taillights and added smart tailgate features like soft open, close and integrated steps. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose from rugged off-road packages or more premium chrome accents. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Hilux has been completely reimagined. Toyota has focused on combining functionality with comfort. Higher trims now offer a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and improved voice commands. The materials used are more premium, with soft touch plastics, leather-wrapped steering, and optional ventilated seats on the top variants. Practicality hasn't been compromised. The Hilux still offers tons of storage, including large cup holders, a spacious glove box, and under-seat compartments in the rear. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Hilux offers multiple powertrain options depending on the market. The base variants are expected to continue with the reliable 2.4-liter diesel engine, while the higher trims will feature an upgraded 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine with improved power and torque. But the biggest news is the introduction of a hybrid variant, a 2.4-liter petrol hybrid powertrain mated to Toyota's electric assist system. This will not only reduce emissions but also offer better fuel economy and torque delivery for towing and off-roading. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual or a 6 or 8-speed automatic, along with selectable 4WD and rear differential lock options for serious off-roaders. The suspension has also been refined for better ride quality on rough terrain. Toyota has introduced an optional adaptive suspension setup in higher trims, allowing the Hilux to maintain comfort without compromising off-road toughness. Speaking of off-road, the 2026 Hilux is equipped with Toyota's latest off-road tech like crawl control, downhill assist, terrain modes, and a new multi-terrain monitor that displays surroundings through multiple cameras. Whether you're climbing rocks, crossing rivers, or just taking on city potholes, the Hilux has you covered. In terms of safety, Toyota hasn't held back. The Hilux now features Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. It also includes a new feature, trailer backup assist, making towing easier and safer. For everyone, let's quickly look at variants and pricing. Toyota is expected to offer the 2026 Hilux in multiple trims, from the workhorse base variant to the off-road ready Hilux GR Sport and the luxurious top-end variant packed with all tech and creature comforts. Pricing will vary by market, but it's expected to start from around $30,000 USD and go up to $55,000 USD for the top trims. In markets like India and Southeast Asia, localized variants might offer slightly different specs and features based on demand and price sensitivity. As for the launch date, Toyota is expected to unveil the global model in late 2025, with market-specific launches starting from early to mid-2026. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Toyota Hilux isn't just a facelift, it's a full-blown upgrade aimed at keeping the truck ahead of its rivals like the Ford Ranger, Isuzu D-Max, Nissan Navara, and even the new Mitsubishi Triton. With hybrid tech, a more premium interior, and serious off-road capabilities, it looks ready to carry the Hilux legacy into the future. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Hilux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Studio, your trusted source for everything cars. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the new Hilux over a Ford Ranger or Triton? Let's talk in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.